c. 18,049 Naples Paradise Living at its best. Lesina's largest floor plan offers 180-degree views from the fabulous 20th floor overlooking the Gulf, bays, river, lake, and Marco Island. This wrap-around in condo offers 2,878 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths plus 3 balconies and is turnkey furnished. The outstanding custom decor and furnishings have rich textures and stunning details that invite the blue sky, sand and surf in. Arrive in a secured elevator which brings you to your private entry. Windows on the world await you. The Large Culinary Kitchen has nightly sunsets. A Lavish Marble Master Bath includes walk-in shower, his, and Her Vanities, soaking tub, and private water closet. Details include crown molding, tray ceilings, custom window treatments, and built-in sound system. Flooring includes wood on the diagonal, iridescent, and stone tile flooring, and lush textured